I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've encountered a billing error on Uber Eats, don't worry, it's usually easy to resolve. Here is how to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account where the billing error occurred. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. From there, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Review your order history. Scroll down and select Order History. Look for the order that has the billing error and tap on it to view the details. Step 4. Report the issue. Once you have the order details, look for the Help option. Tap it, then select Report an issue to explain the billing error. Be specific about what went wrong. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your report, you'll receive a confirmation. Keep an eye on your email for a response from Uber Eats regarding the resolution. It may take a few hours to a day. Remember, if you notice a discrepancy like being charged for an item you didn't order, be sure to mention it in your report. Good luck, and I hope your billing issue gets resolved quickly.